In this video, we're going to see how to view PDF file inside our Android app. Let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Nagesh and I am from 18bofficial.com. In this video, we're going to see how to view our PDF file inside our Android app. For that, all the related codes will be in this blog. Okay, I will leave the link to this in the first comment and in the description too. First of all, to view this PDF file, we are using this library. So you can check this library by clicking on the library here. And in order to use this library, first we need to copy the dependency of the library. So this is the dependency of that library. Just go to build.gradle module app and just copy this dependency and click on sync now. And the Gradle build will start. Okay, after adding the library into this, just close this build.gradle and you need to create the assets folder and you need to add the PDFs into this assets folder. And in order to create this assets folder, just right click on app, select new and click on folder and just click on assets folder, and you'll get this window. So you'll get this window and just click on finish. This assets folder will be created, and now I'm going to copy my PDF. So I'm copying my PDF, going to Android Studio, select assets, and I'm pasting this into my assets folder. And now you can see my PDF is in assets folder. So now I'm going to implement this PDF in activity home. So previously, in this in order to view this, we need to write this code, or else you can copy this code from my blog link in the description, and we need to give an ID for this. I'm going to name it as PDF view. That's it. Now let us go to the activity Java file related to this XML file. The first thing we need to do is we need to cast the view. So that we are using PDF view, right? Just type for PDF view. So now you can notice the com.github.dependency. So just click on enter and give it a name. I'm naming it as PDF view, and we need to find this by ID. We're just linking both the Java and XML file, and we need to give it an ID. So we named it as a PDF view, right? So now in order to load the PDF, you need to write this line. So that is a PDF view dot from assets. And now we need to name our PDF. So in our case, the PDF name is test space PDF dot PDF, and we need to write dot load in order to load our PDF. So that's it. Now let us run our app and see how it will be on your real device. So if you don't know how to run our app, so just watch my video on how to run app on your real device. The link will be in the description. Now you can see the Gradle build is finished, and our app is going to install now. So you can notice the splash screen. So we implemented this animation in previous video. Check that. And now you can see this PDF file. So this is the PDF that I just put. So let me open this PDF file which is in the assets folder, and let's cross check whether it is same or not. Now we can see, so these two PDFs are same. So this is how we need to implement PDF inside our app. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to 18B.